Oh, we're excited. We're back with today's food favorite, Martha Stewart, the one and only. She brought a sampling of menu items from her restaurant, the Bedford. Locations in Connecticut and Las Vegas. We got a short rib blend burger, a tasty chopped salad named after somebody special, and of course, Martha's here. You know it's going to be followed by a cocktail. So the Bedford is really modeled after your 1925 farmhouse you have in Bedford, New York.
And it looks like a bigger version of it. The Foxwoods version is the newer one. It's so much fun. The food is delicious.
Yes.
And people are enjoying it a lot. I'm very happy.
If we can't make it there, we're going to make it here.
Yeah,
People can make it at home. I love the blend.
This is the #1 sandwich. Okay.
I can see why.
This is a 3-beef burger. Pat LaFreda grinds the meat. It's a custom blend. And it's short ribs, it's brisket, and it's chuck. Those are all put together, just the right amount of fat to lean.
Oh, I bet that's good.
And I make them square because I fit them onto that.
Want to put a little salt and pepper on those?
Yes, please. Salt and pepper. I fit that right onto the brioche square loaf from Balthazar. Do you know Balthazar?
Of course I do.
It's the best bread. Anyway, that's ready to go.
We got that
and we serve it with a tomato jam. Tomato jam is fun to make because you caramelize sugar and water. You add vinegar. Yep, you have to peel that. Do you know
how do you peel a tomato?
Okay,
how do you get that off? Like a half?
Well, you make an X on it like that.
Oh, wow.
And then you blanch, and the peel comes off. Well, that's a little cold now.
So this one's
but that's
peeled.
it, yep. And you just put vinegar and chopped seeded tomatoes.
Okay.
And you stir that up.
Yep.
And that makes the best tomato jam, which you'll see what it looks like. The real secret, I think, is the Brooks mustard. I've been making this ever since I was a caterer, and this is made homemade mustard, which once you taste it, you will never eat another mustard, I guarantee.
Wow, that's
dry mustard, vinegar, sugar, salt, and
is it a
egg
dip?
custard.
Is it a sauce?
It's a custard.
A custard.
Yeah, just
can I
take
dip
a little
like pretzels?
taste.
Can I make homemade pretzels and dip it in that?
Taste it. Just taste a little tiny taste.
I mean, I'm a mustard guy.
Good? Oh, you're not? But
I love it.
That's good, right?
Love it.
Okay.
Ooh, a little sweet, a little spicy.
So now to cook the burgers, I like cooking them in a pan, either cast iron or those new titanium pans. I hope this is high enough.
Oh, that's all right.
Yeah, it's high. And you cook in a touch of butter, salt and pepper, of course. Cook, cook, cook.
Guys, you're having this wonderful.
It's not very hot.
The triple ripple here.
It's so juicy.
You got the chuck, you got the rib.
I mean,
you got the brisket.
Literally,
once
you can
it's
see the
cooked,
juice.
you turn it over, and and then melt the cheese right on it. A nice square of sharp cheddar.
Ooh, I like the sharp cheddar.
And then here it is cooked.
Okay.
Tomato jam on
Love
the bread.
That. We're gonna build it.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Tomato jam, sautéed onions. I like everything. You know, I don't like a lot of raw onions on my burgers. And don't forget the chopped salad. Taste that.
I love that.
Chopped salad.
Now, what you name this after somebody special?
No, that's my daughter's
chopped salad.
It's her recipe.
Look at all these fresh veggies.
Alexis's chopped salad.
And what's this drink, Martha?
Excuse me?
What's the drink?
Oh, that's the lemon drop. That's one of the best-selling drinks at our restaurant.
I see why, too.
Vodka, lemon syrup, a little bit of Cointreau, ice.
You have 2 of them and then you just drop.
And a little sugar on the rim. That's what it is, lemon
You were here
drop.
for your 102nd cookbook, I think, in May, and we'll have to be glad to have you back for your next book. I'm sure you're working on it right now.
Of course we are.
Of course. Martha Stewart, the one and only. Check out the Bedford by Martha Stewart. You can also find these recipes and more at today.com/food. Always a pleasure to have you, Martha. Thank you. That looks delicious there.
Oh, yeah. Please eat your burger.
Oh, yes, ma'am.
We will, and drink the drink. We're back after a quick check of your local news and weather.
Thank you, Martha.
Cheers to Martha.
Thank you.